Acting operative of the Mungiakami police successfully intercepted a vehicle at the 41-mile Naga checkpoint on the Assam-Agartala National Highway on Saturday. A thorough search led to the discovery and seizure of approximately 210,000 packets of suspected contraband Burmese cigarettes, which were illicitly concealed inside 21 carton boxes. Acting on the specific intelligence input, the Mungiakami police successfully intercepted a major smuggling attempt at a 41-mile checkpoint along the Assam-Agartala National Highway on Saturday. The operation led to the interception of an Agartala-bound vehicle bearing registration number TR04F0750, which was traveling from Damchara. Upon conducting a thorough search of the vehicle, law enforcement personnel discovered and seized a massive consignment of contraband. A total of approximately 210,000 packets of suspected illicit Burmese cigarettes were recovered, which had been systematically concealed inside 21 carton boxes. The vehicle and the contraband have been taken into police custody, and an investigation has been initiated to trace the supply network.
Mungia Thanar Antargoto 41 mile Naka Pointe, Amra প্রত্যেকদিনের মতো আজকে চেকিং করি তো চেকিং করাকালীন অবস্থায় অনুমান 9:30টার দিকে একটা কার ভেহিকল আমরা ডিটেইন করতে সমর্থ হই এবং ওই গাড়িতে সার্চ করে প্রায় 21 কার্টন বার্মিজ সিগারেট টোটাল 2,10,000 সিগারেটের স্টিক আমরা রিকভারি করতে সমর্থ হই এবং ওই সিগারেটগুলো আমরা কাস্টমারের কাছে হ্যান্ডওভার করে দেব।
The police have seized the vehicle and detained one individual and is currently undergoing interrogation as authorities investigate the wider network and to identify others involved in the illicit trade. Reporter Biplov from Mungiakami, Chini, Khorang.